In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT for crafting engaging Facebook posts in 2025. Let's dive into this simple yet powerful process that will help you enhance your social media presence with ease. To get started, we first need to open up your web browser, and for this guide, we're going to use Google. Once you have your browser open, navigate to Google. This is as simple as typing google.com into your address bar. Now that you have Google open, we're ready for the next step. In the search bar, type in ChatGPT and press enter. This step will bring up a list of results related to ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a language model developed by OpenAI that can assist in generating text-based content. It's an incredible tool for creating content such as Facebook posts, and it's user-friendly, which is great for both beginners and seasoned users. Next, from the list of search results, click on the ChatGPT website link. This will take you directly to the site where we'll be working our magic. Once you're on the ChatGPT homepage, it's time to craft your prompt. Here, you'll need to consider what kind of Facebook post you want. Are you promoting a product, sharing a personal story, or perhaps posing a question to your audience? The key is to be clear and specific in your instructions to ChatGPT, as this will help it generate the most relevant content. Once you've decided on your prompt, type it into the input box on the ChatGPT site. Let's say you want to create a post that encourages engagement. You might type something like, "Create a Facebook post asking my followers their favorite book of 2025 and why." This way, ChatGPT understands the context and purpose of your post. After entering the prompt, look for the Submit button beneath the text box. Click on it to send your request to ChatGPT. The AI will process your prompt and generate a response, usually within a few seconds. This is the part where ChatGPT's advanced language capabilities come into play, creating a cohesive and engaging Facebook post. With the generated content in hand, you're almost done. Review the output from ChatGPT to ensure it matches your expectations. It's always a good idea to double-check for any necessary tweaks or additions, perhaps adding emojis or adjusting the tone to better suit your audience. Once satisfied, copy the text, head over to your Facebook page, and paste your new engaging post. And that's it. Your Facebook post is ready to go live. Utilizing ChatGPT to enhance your social media strategy can save you time and help maintain a professional and interactive presence online. Thank you for watching, and I hope this has been helpful for your social media endeavors.